I just picked up this new tractor on Craigslist. I believe it's a mid-60s Moto-Mower. It has a 10-horse Kohler engine, and it runs pretty good. It does need new front tires, which I've already ordered. So between this and the other project that I'm working on, I'll have plenty to do for the winter. And as far as this Moto-Mower, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it exactly. I think I'm just going to... I might take it all apart, repaint it, and just get it all straightened out. We'll see as time goes on, but I'll keep you updated with videos as we move along. And we'll, like I said, we'll start with the tires, and I'll probably have some other items I'm going to work on. One is the clutch. That doesn't work quite right. I think it's a spring issue, but I'll look into that. So stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.